In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix network discovery in Windows Server 2025. If you're experiencing issues with network visibility or connectivity, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem effectively. First, let's make sure that your network is set to private. A private network provides a more trusted environment, which is essential for enabling network discovery. To start, navigate to the Settings menu, then click on Network and Internet. Here, you'll see a list of your available connections. If you're using a wired connection, select Ethernet. If you're on Wi-Fi, choose the Wi-Fi option. Under the Network Profile section, ensure that the private option is selected. This setting allows your server to be discoverable to other devices on the network, facilitating file and printer sharing. Next, we need to ensure that certain services that network discovery relies on are running correctly. Press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type services.sc and hit Enter. This will open the Services window where we need to check several critical services. Look for the DNS client, Function Discovery, Resource Publication, SSDP Discovery, and UPnP Device Host. All of these services should be set to running and automatic. If you find any that aren't started, right-click the service name, choose Properties, and set the startup type to automatic before starting the service. Now that we have confirmed that the necessary services are active, let's enable network discovery itself. Open the control panel. From there, head over to the Network and Sharing Center. Here is where you'll find the option for changing advanced sharing settings. Click on it, and you'll be presented with different sharing configurations. Under the Private section, make sure to toggle on both Network Discovery and File and Printer Sharing. This step is crucial as it allows your server to advertise its presence on the network and access shared resources. These steps are designed to ensure your Windows Server 2025 is fully equipped for seamless network communication. If issues persist after performing the above actions, double-check each step to make sure all settings are correct. Sometimes, a simple restart of your server may resolve lingering issues not addressed by configuration changes alone. I hope this guide has been helpful. Network discovery plays a pivotal role in keeping your network interconnected, and a few adjustments can significantly impact your server's functionality. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and guides. Thank you for tuning in, and have a great day optimizing your network.